Hello guys, welcome back to Fresh Hobby. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about a latest off-campus opportunity from Infosys. So in this video, we will be discussing about all the things such as the job designation, the job location, so what is the CTC they are giving, and for which batches they are hiring for, what is the job role, what are the responsibilities. So we'll discuss about all these things in a very detailed manner. So I request you all to not skip the video in between and watch the video till the end so that you can get a complete idea over this opportunity from Infosys, and also I will show how one can actually apply for this opportunity so that anyone should not make any kind of mistake while filling the registration form. And for all those who are new to Fresh Hobby, so let me tell you about the channel. So I upload all the videos regarding latest off-campus opportunities and videos regarding the test pattern, about the recruitment process for those companies. So if you are new and yet you haven't subscribed to Fresh Hobby, then I request you all to subscribe so that you can get all the latest updates regarding such videos on a regular basis. So without making any further delay, let's move forward with the today's video, that is about Infosys job opportunity. So as you can see on your screen right now, so this is the official careers page of Infosys. So they have uploaded about this opportunity there. So as you can see, the job designation for this opportunity is of a junior accountant, and the job location for the same is Pune, and here they have mentioned about the job ID and reference code. And the work experience is 0 years. That means 2021 batch students are eligible for this opportunity, and the job title will be of a junior accountant. And next we'll talk about the responsibilities. So here they have mentioned a number of points in responsibility, so we'll go through all these points one by one. So very first point here is managing and verifying payments raised and keeping a track on approval of payments by clients and by onshore team. Second one is check for overpayments being raised by checking various reports. So next one is check for various allowances, payments and funding being received. And next they have mentioned here communication skill, strong soft skill and need to have a good command over English as a language. So just make a note of this, like they are expecting excellent communication skills from all the candidates who are applying for this opportunity. And as you can see here, like in education requirements, they have mentioned BCom, that is all the BCom holders of 2021 batch are eligible for this opportunity, and the service line will be BPO. And in preferred skills, they have mentioned things like domain, banking, trade finance, receivable finance. And in generic skills, they have mentioned domain, finance, accounting and reporting. So these are the information they have mentioned about this opportunity. So next we'll talk about how one can actually apply for this opportunity. So if you are a BCom holder and you are of a 2021 batch and you fit in all the criteria as they have mentioned here, all the things, I will simply put the link for the same in the description box of the video, so you can go there and check out the link, read all this information they have mentioned here once again, and you'll get to know whether you are a fit for this opportunity or not. And if you are a fit, then you can simply click here on the apply button, which you can see here. So after clicking there, you'll see a page like this. So if you already have an account here in Infosys official page, so you can simply log in, and if you don't have an account, then you'll have to register first, and once you are done with your registration, you can simply log in. So after logging in, you'll see a page like this, which you can see on your screen right now. So this is the registration page for this opportunity. So here you have to mention the date of birth, your preferred interview city, and current or previous employer if yes, total experience in years. And next you have to mention all the skills you have, and you have to mention your mobile number here, and you have to then upload your CV. And after that you have to just mention whether you are an ex-Infosian or not. And once you are done with filling all this information, simply click here on the apply button, which you can see here. So in this way you can apply for this opportunity from Infosys for the position of a junior accountant. So as we have already discussed that the job location for the same is Pune, and they are giving a CTC of 3 LPA for all the candidates who will be finally selected for this job role. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like, then please don't forget to share this video with your fellow friends who are looking for better opportunities, and we'll meet in the next video with one more such opportunity. Thank you.